Facebook Marketplace has been on my side recently. I was looking for an old Skidsteer and this one caught my eye. The owner said it had not been started in a long time, but it only had a little over 2,000 hours on it. So we did some quick work on it and got it running well enough to get it on the trailer. So we made a deal. And after driving it home, I started by coating the exterior in Total Wash to get all the mud and grime off. It's a good thing I know what I'm doing, and this Total Wash cleaner is actual magic because it started cleaning up really well. And after I was done cleaning the exterior, I noticed that the engine bay could use some love and was probably the reason it wouldn't run well. And to my surprise, most of it cleaned up really well. Just look at how much grease it removed. And after adding a new air filter, it started up much better and ran smoother. This just goes to show sometimes all you need is a great cleaner and some TLC to get an awesome machine for a fraction of the price. Anyways, I'm going to go use my new toy to move some dirt around my property.